Hey guys, it's Mel and Laura here for Girlfriend TV.
We are so excited because the Vamps are in Australia right now and we are about to go and hang out with them.
We've got our Vamps shirts on and we're going to go teach them a little bit about Australia.
Yeah!
Hello, we are the Vamps and we are currently on tour in Australia, aren't we, boys?
Yeah.
So we thought we'd fully immerse ourselves in the Australian culture and food. And we're here. So that's an American flag.
You look bloody great, mate, with that hat.
Thanks very much. Okay.
Right, let's give it a go. Okay. I'll have a little bite, but you know, it's January, so we're trying to shed those Christmas pounds. I shall have a slight bite.
So this is called fairy bread.
Fairy bread. Oh, I love it.
Can you buy it like that? I'm good for fairy bread.
That's well good.
Not very nice.
Good idea.
Well done, Australia.
Yeah.
What's
10
next?
points.
10 points for us. Emu jerky.
Emu.
Trish is down for it.
Yeah, okay.
There's no nuts.
Trish is like a
Emu.
Trish is a connoisseur of all jerky.
He loves
I'll eat
jerky.
anything. I'll eat these guys. They're on the plate.
It looks nice as well.
You've had some bad jerky emus on, but
Remember the moose you ate on a TV show?
I ate moose on a TV show and I had to spit it out.
Oh, right. Yeah, good.
Is it? I'll try a bit.
Is it really nice?
Ah,
Eyes are
I
watering
don't know
behind the
whether-
glasses.
This hat, I'm gonna have to take this out. I'm sorry, it's like poking me in the eyes. All the
Try some of the kangaroo one.
Do you want some
No.
emu jerky?
Not at all.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Maybe if you smell it, it'll swing you.
Some of my national icons.
You can try a bit, yeah.
You
It's
know
alright.
what?
It's actually, you'd like that, Con.
This is chorizo.
Kangaroo's really high in protein, you know.
Okay, Milo, made from malted barley, 6 vitamins and minerals, rich in protein.
Chug, 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 chug.
Yeah, that's nice. Are you meant to get a bit of the
Yeah, the fermentation.
Fermentation. Oh, what's happened to mine? It's just kind of clumped up in the middle.
That's what it's meant to do.
I might go.
The fermentation.
alright.
I'm just going to go for that bit there.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that what you're meant to do? How is it?
It's a whale.
Burger rings.
Yeah. I don't know how to describe them. I think they're delicious.
It's meant to take a bird.
They're nice, they're really nice.
Yeah?
You'll like them.
Yeah,
They're a Connor.
they're a carny so.
That's a batch though. I don't know.
Quite good, that. Ah, yes. Pretty good.
Pretty
Alright then.
It's like marshmallow and jam.
Is that mum?
It's vegetable extract, isn't it?
It's better than that.
Cheers.
Pass that. I've got
It's an acquired
a
taste.
mode. We love it.
These things are really good.
They were great.
This is
Fairy
nice.
bread was great. This is nice. Burger things are
Pretty
nice.
similar to English food, I would say. Like snacks, you know?
Yeah, like kangaroo jerky
These
is my
things
favourite.
are.